Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to look at an RO system with slow water flow. So this RO system belonged to my 91-year-old mother. She said it's been slowing down and finally has started to do this. Normally what causes this is the water storage tank has lost its air pressure charge. So let's see what is going on. First thing we need to do is turn the RO system supply water off. Next, we're going to remove the Schrader cap at the bottom of the storage tanks. Then we're going to check the air pressure in the tank. I'm going to check a couple of times because the air gauge hasn't moved at all. That means the air has escaped from the storage tank bladder. Now we're going to turn the valve on the top of the storage tank to the closed position. And now we're going to put a small amount of air pressure in the storage tank at the bladder Schrader fitting. So very carefully, I'm going to add a small amount of air pressure using my air compressor. But we don't want to go over 10 pounds. Normal pressure in the storage tank is between 7 and 10 pounds. Well, you can't really see the number very clearly, but we've got about 9 pounds in the storage tank. Next, we are going to open the top of the storage tank, and whatever water is left in the storage tank will be blown out. We want the tank to be empty. After we emptied the tank, we verified that we still had the 9 pounds, and now we are going to open the supply water to the RO system. With the RO system valve open, now the system will refill. You must wait till it's completely refilled before you test the system. Okay, let's see how the system is working now. Much better. Let's see if we can recap the 9 steps to pressurize the RO system storage tank. First, close the cold water feed valve to the RO system. Second, make sure the RO tank valve is open and the water valve at the sink is closed. Third, find the stem cap and remove the Schrader cap. Fourth, check the pressure in the storage tank. Fifth, pressure should be between 7 and 10 psi. Sixth, if the pressure is below recommended air pressure, add air to the tank with either an air compressor or a bicycle pump between 7 and 10 psi. Seventh, now open the water valve at the sink to completely empty the storage container. Number 8, once the tank is completely empty, close the water valve at the sink and reinstall the Schrader cap. Number 9, open the water valve that feeds the RO system and let the system completely fill up. Well, we got this one fixed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.